In this video, I'm going to show you how to install a side mirror on your Subaru Impreza, located on the driver's side. Use a little flathead screwdriver and pry this cover up. And under that, there's going to be a Phillips head screw. Remove that. Use a little Phillips head screwdriver to remove this cap. And there's a Phillips head screw under that as well. Remove that. Now there's clips all the way along around the outside of the door. You can use a trim tool and get up behind here, but I'm just going to use my hands and give it a nice quick tug. Keep going all the way around. And then pull up. And then we're just going to kind of tuck this out of the side and let it hang. And now we'll remove the side mirror connector. We're just going to carefully peel back the plastic. This black sticky stuff on the back of it. Oops. And you want to open up the area around these two holes. There's going to be 3 10mm bolts to remove the side mirror assembly. First one is here. And then these 2 10mm bolts on the right side. And make sure you hold the mirror assembly. Now we're just going to pull the mirror out. Fish your connector through the little hole. Now install the back of the side mirror trim. Down. Make sure this bottom lip is in place. Like so. Then we're going to reinstall the 3 10mm bolts. Start them by hand and we will tighten them down in a second. I'm just going to tighten our 3 bolts. We're going to fish the connector up. We're going to put it through the plastic in this, and then just push it in. Pull your plastic back up. Reinstall the door panel trim. Lift up and push down. It'll seat in. And then just give a nice tap around the outside of the door. Reinstall the screw on the door handle. And close the cap. Reinstall the screw inside of this door cup. Push the cap down.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.